Hi, I'm Angie from AngieSouthernKitchen.com, and today we're going to learn how to make old-timey pimento and cheese spread. And I like to use an old-fashioned cheese, which is the sharp cheddar, and again I like to grate my own cheese so it's nice and creamy. And I've already grated this, and that is this whole container grated. And I'm going to add it to the mixer and mix it in here really well. And then I have 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, just plain Hellman mayonnaise. There's a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and then I'm going to get one tablespoon of creme fraiche, a dash of Worcestershire sauce, and then we've got 2 ounces of drained pimento. And this is the way the pimento comes. But I do like to drain mine. Some people don't drain theirs, but I prefer to. And this is cayenne pepper. This is 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Makes it have a little spice to it. And then this is a teaspoon of grated Vidalia onion, and it's very fine, so that way you get the flavor, but you really can't determine exactly what's in there. And this is our old-fashioned pimento and cheese completed. Again, I'm Angie, and you just learned how to make old-timey pimento and cheese spread.